Morning, class 6th. Yesterday we have started with this lesson. I have explained you this lesson yesterday, and today I am going to tell you about the word meanings. Okay, so we'll write about the word meanings, and I will give you some extra word meanings from the lesson. Some are given at the bottom of the page here, but I will give you some extra. Okay, so now first word is pneumonia. 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 It means it is a lung inflammation. It's a lung inflammation. It's a lung inflammation. Caused by bacterial or viral infection. Okay, it's a lung inflammation, right? Now we come to the next word, that is scarlet fever. Bache, this is also a infectious bacteria disease. An infectious bacteria disease affecting children causing fever and scarlet rash. It means it is also an infectious bacteria disease. It affects mostly the children and it causes fever and the scarlet rash. Scarlet is a name of a color, बच्चे. It's a shade of red. So red color की उसमें rashes हो जाती हैं बच्चे के and with the fever. Okay, it is also an infectious bacteria. Is it clear to all? Now we come to third word, that is brace. Now what is brace? It is a device fitted to something, but in particular a weak or injured part of the body. बच्चे braces एक हमने we have talked about, you might be knowing that आपने dental braces देखे होंगे कि some people wear braces on their teeth. So it is just a device. ये एक device है बच्चे जहाँ पे जो part आपकी body का weak है, either your part of body is weak or it is injured, so it gives a support. In the sense, it is a support. Okay, it can be dental braces or it can be anywhere in the support which supports the weak or a injured part of the body. Is it clear? Now we come to the fourth word, persistence. Persistence means perseverance. Again you will say, what is it, ma'am? Perseverance is, bache, when you keep on, means you continue working hard, you continue working on one thing to improve yourself. That is called perseverance. लगातार किसी चीज पे काम करते रहना ताकि आप उसे improve कर सकें. That is called perseverance. Okay. Now, do you understand paralysis? Do you understand that? Okay, I'll give you the meaning of that also. Paralyzed. बच्चे पैरालाइज्ड होता है, आपने अक्सर लोग देखे होंगे हैंडीकैप, दे आर इनकैपेबल ऑफ मूविंग, मीन्स जब आप चल नहीं पाते या आपका कोई बॉडी जो पार्ट है वो अगर नहीं मूवमेंट कर पा रहा, तो होली और पार्टली इनकैपेबल ऑफ मूवमेंट. ठीक है, या तो कोई एक हिस्सा, आधा हिस्सा हो जाता है कई बार, या कोई एक पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी जो मूवमेंट नहीं कर सकता, इनकैपेबल ऑफ मूवमेंट. ओके, देन वी कम टू द वर्ड baton. It's baton, right? What is it? It is a short stick passed from runner to runner. You might have seen in the relay races that 3 or 4 runners are made to stand at a short distance. So the runner starts from here, he reaches that next runner, he handed over the baton to that runner, and then he takes the baton and he moves to the another runner. This is called as the relay race. So the stick they pass over to the another runner is called baton. ठीक है, a short stick passed from one runner to runner in relay race. Is it clear? Then you have 4 or 5 word meanings at the bottom of the page. You have to learn that also, memorize that also, and these are the extra ones which I found it difficult for you, so I just told you the meaning of this. Motivate is getting inspired. Okay, is it clear? So these are the extra word meanings for the lesson, the Wilma default, and you will write the date here and the day also, and this is a vocabulary for this lesson, the Wilma Rudolph story. So you can just write it properly. Lung infection caused by a bacterial or viral infection. Then we come to scarlet fever, an infectious bacteria disease affecting children, causing fever and scarlet rash. Then comes the brace, a device fitted to something, in particular a weak or injured part of the body. Then comes persistence, that is perseverance, continuing hard work on a particular thing. Paralyzed, wholly or partly incapable of movement. Then is baton. Baton is a short stick passed from runner to runner in relay race. Then the last one is motivate, that is to inspire. Okay, now we come to this question answer part. You try to find out the question answers yourself. We will discuss it in tomorrow's lecture. Isn't it okay? Will you do, or should I make you write? Will you try to find out the question answers for this lesson? Yes? The first question is, what left Wilma Rudolph paralyzed with polio? What left Wilma Rudolph paralyzed with polio? Yes, I hope you understand the lesson and you should be able to answer it. It's not difficult. What happened to her? What made her Wilma Rudolph paralyzed with polio? उन्हें पोलियो कैसे हो गया था विल्मा रिडोल्फ को? It is in the first paragraph only. Come on, try to find out, locate the answer. At the age of 4, Wilma had double pneumonia with scarlet fever. A deadly combination which left her paralyzed with polio. It is in the first paragraph only. It starts from at the age of 4 she had double pneumonia with the scarlet fever, a deadly combination which left her paralyzed with polio. Now we come to answer number 2. You have to write the question number 1, then you will write this answer. Then you will write the question number 2, and then you will write the answer number 2. What was Vilma's ambition? Vilma की क्या ambition थी बच्चे? Yes, it is also in the first paragraph. You will find the answer in the first paragraph. What was her ambition? What was Vilma's ambition? Vilma's ambition, yes, I hope you can find out, was to become the fastest woman on the track on this earth. She wanted to be the fastest woman on the track on this earth. She knew that she was paralyzed with one leg, with polio. She was paralyzed with polio at the age of 4. Still, she had an ambition to be the fastest woman on the track on this earth. फिर भी उनकी जो spirit थी, determination थी, she wanted to be the fastest woman on the track on this earth. अपने paralysis के अलावा भी, despite of all the handicap she was, the handicap it was bothering her, she wanted to be the fastest woman on the track on this earth. Now we come to the answer number 3. Which of the qualities made Vilma great athlete? Which of the qualities made Vilma great athlete? Yes. Come on, try to locate the answer. Her mother used to encourage her that you should keep on trying, because doctors had told her that she will not be able to keep a foot on the earth. But her mother encouraged her and told her that with the God-given ability, persistence and faith, she can achieve any goal of her life. She can become the great athlete. So we will start like this. With Vilma's mother encouragement and motivational words. Motivation. Vilma's mother's encouragement and motivation that with God given ability persistence and faith. She achieved her ambition to become a great athlete. Okay, so with Vilma's mother's encouragement, उसकी mother उसको बहुत encourage करती थी and she used to motivate her, and with the God given ability, कुछ हमें abilities मिलती हैं, inborn होती हैं हमें, which is given through the God. It is inborn qualities, it is inborn ability. Her persistence, I have told you the meaning of persistence, that is perseverance.